What are the specific health benefits of using olive oil to pan-fry chicken?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this segment, we'll be exploring the specific health benefits of using olive oil to pan-fry chicken. We all know that olive oil is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, and its numerous health benefits have been well documented. But how does it fare when it comes to pan-frying chicken? Let's find out.
The importance of healthy cooking oils.
Before we dive into the health benefits of using olive oil to pan-fry chicken, let's quickly touch upon the importance of using healthy cooking oils. The oil you choose to cook with can greatly impact the nutritional value and overall healthiness of your meal. Opting for healthier oils can contribute to a well-balanced diet and support your overall well-being.
The benefits of olive oil.
Olive oil, especially the extra virgin variety, is widely regarded as one of the healthiest oils available. It is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats. These fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels while promoting the increase of good cholesterol levels. This, in turn, can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system.
Olive oil and chicken.
Now, let's focus specifically on the health benefits of using olive oil to pan-fry chicken. Benefit 1. Heart-healthy option. Pan-frying chicken with olive oil provides a heart-healthy alternative to other cooking oils high in saturated or trans fats. By using olive oil, you can enjoy the benefits of monounsaturated fats, which have been associated with a lower risk of heart disease when consumed in moderation. Benefit 2. Nutrient preservation. Olive oil has a relatively high smoke point, which means it can withstand higher temperatures without breaking down and losing its beneficial properties. When pan-frying chicken, this is especially important as it allows you to retain more of the nutrients present in the chicken. This includes essential vitamins and minerals such as B vitamins, iron, and zinc. Benefit 3. Antioxidant content. Extra virgin olive oil, in particular, is known for its antioxidant content, which can help protect your body against oxidative stress caused by free radicals. These antioxidants, such as polyphenols, have been linked to various health benefits, including reduced inflammation and improved immune function. Benefit 4. Flavor and moisture. Pan-frying chicken with olive oil not only brings health benefits but also enhances the flavor and moisture of the dish. Olive oil adds a delicious, rich taste to the chicken, making it more enjoyable to eat. Additionally, the oil helps lock in moisture, keeping the chicken tender and juicy throughout the cooking process. And there you have it. Pan-frying chicken with olive oil offers a range of specific health benefits. From promoting heart health and preserving essential nutrients to providing antioxidants and enhancing flavor, olive oil proves to be an excellent choice for your cooking needs. So next time you're in the kitchen, consider reaching for that bottle of olive oil to elevate both the taste and nutritional value of your pan-fried chicken. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.